Welcome back, eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell, and I want to welcome you back into eSIM Studios. As I mentioned, I want to get into this is going to be the Pixel Video Boost uh, little quick review. Now, I'm going to do a quick intro. Hang on, because I do have video samples of a video boost I did yesterday during the day of regular video and then video boosted video. And then the showstopper is the night sight video. I'm actually blown away by the night sight video more than I am of the quote unquote video boost for the daytime. Now, it's been cloudy, it's been raining here. So maybe it looks better when there's a full clear sky with the sun and the colors are more vibrant outside, because when I did the video yesterday, as I mentioned, cloudy, hazy, so you kind of get a gray effect, but it is what it is. I wanted to test it ASAP and put something out there for so everybody can basically see what it looks like, right? The night sight is incredible. um, most manufacturers now have a night sight for still shots. A lot of companies have perfected it. Samsung is one. Even the Nothing phone takes really good night photos. But if you remember, Pixel, what was it? I want to say it was the Pixel 2 or Pixel 3. Google was the first company to come out with the night sight, and every manufacturer has their own name for it. Some are night mode, some are night vision, but Google coined the phrase night sight with their still photos. They were the first company to come out with something like that. It uses their computational algorithms to basically increase the lighting to make it look more of a brighter shot, but natural as well. Well, and that was a showstopper when they released that. Everybody's jaw dropped. It was a flagship moment for cell phones. Well, I'm going to plant my flag in the ground right now by saying their night sight video is another showstopper. I was blown away at now at the quality, right? It's just like their still photo night sight except for video. Now, the only negative I can basically think of for their video boost and their video night sight is the processing time. It takes a long time. The day video is a 2-minute video. The night sight video is a minute and 22 seconds. Now, the 2-minute day video boost took about three and a half hours to process, and the night video took right around the day video took 4 hours to process. A 2-minute video took 4 hours to video boost, and then the night that's what it was. The night sight video took about 3.5 hours because it was a little shorter. That's a 2-minute video. So what if you take a 15-minute video? You're at a concert, you're at SeaWorld with your kids or whatever. Whatever it is, right? A 2-minute video is pretty short. If you a 15-minute video, take all night. So it is what it is. Hopefully it gets better. I'm assuming it's taking longer right now because everybody's testing it out. So they made it available for all these Pixel 8 Pros. Everybody's testing it all at once. So I think their servers are overloaded with people basically testing it out. And look, it'll get quicker processing time as their computers and servers get faster with time. I think it'll get the amount of time it takes to process these video boosts and night sight videos. I think it'll get shorter as time goes on, but 4 hours for a 2-minute video. So it's not available right away. It's something you check back either the next day or later on in the afternoon or at night, something like that. So don't expect don't expect for that video boost to be available right away. And also, I'll wrap this up so we can get into it. But also, after we do the examples of the day video boost and the night sight video, I also took a video from where I'm sitting, looking at my computer with the Pixel 8 Pro. Took a video with this, looking at Google Photos on your desktop, so you can see what it looks like video boost on a desktop experience. They give you two options. You can download each one individually. You can download them both together. So they do give you some options on the on Google Photos desktop, and then those same options are available on the Google Photos app on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get into it right now. No more talking. Let's get into it. Yeah, so enjoy, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this night sight video. It's a game changer. Just watch. Y'all ready? All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna do a little test here. It's not the most perfect day, as you can tell, for a video boost. However, I'm gonna walk inside the store here so you can get a good idea of some colors and stuff. Now, this first video, this video clip's gonna be played 2 times. This first clip is with no video boost. The second time you see this video, it will have video boost. Now, the video boost cannot be, it's only 30 frames per second. There's no 60 frames per second. It's only 1x, 2x, and it's in 4K only. But this will give you an idea of what we're dealing with here. Put them to the test, and I'll tell y'all how long after this, after I upload it, I'll tell you how long it takes this video to upload, process, and get back to you. So we're at about 1 minute. Probably do a 2-minute video, 2.5-minute video. Now you get some colors, some lighting difference, so you get to see how it looks. Let me zoom into 2x. Boom. What did I come to get? Cat treats. Yeah, I know. All right, let's go. We're at about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Now we test night sight on the video side. We are in a dark alley. You would think it was Halloween with all these scary noises around us, but this will get you a good view. I've tried to find the darkest alley around the house, and this obviously appears to be one because the screen is almost pitch black. But this will give you a good idea of the night mode video and regular video as well. Now I'm going to zoom in down this drainage ditch, and we will see how much it picks up after processing. I'm looking through the screen, and it is pitch black. I can see the lights on the home on the left and the one right in the middle of the screen, but other than that, it's black. So we'll have to see how much Google can process this and turn night into day. It's kind of spooky. Yeah, I'm not scared. All right. All right, so this is what it looks like when you go to Google Photos, when you have your video boost. They roughly take two copies, your main copy of your video, and then they also pair the video boost from within this video, right? So that's a photo. This was the night boost. So they'll have one video, but as you can tell, this icon up here means there's also a video boost. So if you click this one item, look down here. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. You get two separate videos of the same video. So this is the night boost video, and it also tells you up here. Then if you go click down here, it gives you the original. And you see the video boost is gone. So then you go down here to video boost, and here is your video boost copy. Now, they do give you a couple options on these, the three-dot menu. If you click down here, you can set it as your main video as far as what you want to display on your home screen of Google Photos. Now, this is the desktop client, right? Copy to photos, keep only this video. And these options are the same, I believe. Copy to your photos, keep only this video. Now, if you want to download this to your computer, let me see if I can refocus again. You go to the three-dot menu, and you get these options. Put it on a slideshow, loop the video where it plays over and over and over. You can download this specific video that you're on. You can download both videos, the original and video boost. You can add it to an album, add to a shared album. You can archive, and you can move to a locked folder. This is a still photo. Here's the original with a, come on now. That's the night shot. Excuse me, that's the night with the night sight, and the other one is the original. But look at this, and this is the same. Here's the video boost during the day. Same deal, right? So the boosted video is displayed up here. You got your three-dot menu. This three-dot menu for the video in whole is the same as the last one. And you can go back to the original. Now this is all within Google Photos, the desktop app. It's basically the same on Google Photos application on your phone, right? It's basically the same layout and everything. It's just more, it's a bigger and better layout for desktop, but you have all those same options on your phone as well in the Google Photos app.